Hello and welcome to Glass Drive Tuition. On this road I need to show you here, this road name is Palatine Road and we're coming from Didsbury heading back to Withington. So we see the 20 sign, so your speed starts 20 from just before the sign. So my speed is 20 now, so speed will be 20 all the way around here now. You go left, you go right, you go straight, anywhere you go, speed would be 20 miles an hour. The speed will only change or go to 30 miles an hour till you see the sign in front of you asking you to go faster now. So we stop here. As you can see, there's no sign on the right, there's no sign in front of me, and there's only one sign on the left hand side which says 20 on that lamppost on the left hand side there. Apart from that, there's no sign telling me what's the speed on the road. So if you miss the sign which was behind us, if you ever miss the sign and you don't know what's the speed of the road, better for us to drive 20 miles an hour and don't take a risk thinking that would be a 30 miles an hour, because it's a nice and clear road and it's a big road as well. Drive 20 miles an hour, look on the side street or the road on the side street, see, have a look what's the speed on them road. Now if that road is 20 miles an hour, more likely this speed of this road would be 30. But when we go a little bit further ahead, you will see on the lamppost, after every fourth or fifth lamppost, you will see the repeater, or we will call it a reminder. If you have a look on the right side of the road where it says P sign, where's the Bedford shop, on that lamppost it says 20 miles an hour on the lamppost there. So further ahead I can see marking on the road telling me to drive 20 miles an hour. On this road there's a cyclist sign and the 20 sign together now. So the cyclist will be on your road as well at the same time as you driving on the main road. So be very careful for the cyclists. When you see them, just drive nicely behind them. If you think you have a space to overtake them, which is more likely is not going to be happening on this road, you overtake them. But if you think there's not enough space, just drive behind them nicely, and on just about here they will go into their cycle lane and then leave a road for you empty there. Now if you see here, the speed signs telling me the road you're going into after this lamppost, which is a 30 sign, speed would be 30 miles an hour. And if you look at the marking on the road on the right side, the speed will be 20 miles an hour if you're coming in from Rusham or Fallowfield into Withington area. So our speed would be 30, and that car, which is a black car on the right, their speed would be 20 from if they're going towards Withington now.